I am such a busy bee. There's a bee on her shoulder. I had a bee stings. Vietnamese. Let's speak Vietnamese. I like Vietnamese. I am Vietnamese. Team. We are a team. My team is invisible. Team learning is good. Cheap. If it's so cheap. Talk is cheap. That's cheap. Agree. I agree. Do you agree? I don't agree. Hit. It's a dick. Hit the pot. Don't hit me with it. Become. I will become useful. They have become monsters. They become weaker. Decide. I can decide. Let's decide that letter. Please consider and decide. Busy. I am busy. I have been busy. She is still busy. Rich. He is rich. The food is rich. We are so rich.